In your 20s, you're probably making some big decisions, moving out on your own, starting a career and learning more about yourself. It's a time to establish money habits that are in line with your values. Starting on these goals now while in your 20s can help create better opportunities for you down the road. Here are the 8 ways to improve your finances in your 20s. 1. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is key to financial security. We call it a financial confidence account for a reason. Being prepared for a rainy day can help give you a sense of inner peace. And when you have your safety net established, you can make better decisions about money, like saving for retirement, when times are turbulent, such as the time of pandemic. To establish financial confidence, set up an account that's separate from your main spending account, easy to access, and reserved for emergencies only. A low or no fee, high-yield savings account is a good tool to use here. Then, pay yourself first and automatically via direct deposit or automatic transfer. Once you've built up $1,000 in savings, enough to cover many small emergencies, set a goal of saving 3 months of living expenses. As you grow your savings further, notice the peace of mind it brings you. 2. Draw a budget. To ensure you're spending your money wisely, make a budget based on how much you value different things. Start by tracking your spending to see where your money is going. Then create categories for things like rent, groceries, and utilities before making line items for the things you can't live without, your must-haves. 3. Pay off your debt. It's important to prioritize paying off your debt. In your 20s, if you have student loan debt, try to pay that off first. It typically comes with the highest interest rate and will cost you more in the long run. 4. Improve your credit score. If you're one of the many people who have never taken on any debt, now is a great time to start building your credit score. Credit scores can help you get approved for home loans and car loans, as well as open up other financial options like refinancing student loans. 5. Protect you from online scam. You're in your 20s, so you probably have an online presence. With all the social media platforms and websites out there, it's easy to reveal more about ourselves than we realize. But there are ways to protect yourself. To keep your personal information safe, you can monitor your financial accounts and credit report for any suspicious activity, use multiple passwords, and set up 2-factor authentication. 6. Get insured. Insurance is something you can't afford to ignore. It's a smart idea to understand the different types of insurance out there, like health and life insurance. Although it may take up a portion of your budget, peace of mind is worth it when you know that you have a financial backup in case something goes wrong. 7. Side hustles. Side hustles are becoming more popular, especially among millennials and Generation Z. Lucky for you, it's easier than ever to start one and increase your income. Even if you work a 9-to-5 job, a side hustle can help you make a little extra money toward your goals. 8. Invest in yourself. Don't just invest your money, invest in yourself. In your 20s, and especially in your early 20s, Truist head of financial wellness Brian Ford recommends investing in networking, knowledge, education, and skills to set you up for long-term success.